Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just type in Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once you click on the Continue button to finalize your payment, the game will be added to your library when the payment is complete. You can then choose your install location and complete the installation in just a few clicks. Once that is done, you can start enjoying the Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 2 game on your PC. So there you have it, that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.